Yes guys, good morning. So today also we are going to continue the same problem. Okay, now we are in Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, already we started one problem up to del dot. First thing is order to find del dot f and order to find the right side term. One by one we need to evaluate the integral. So up to first integration we already completed in the last class. Okay, now we are going to continue the same problem. Okay, hereafter we are going to see. Yes. The next thing is what? Yes, we need to integrate with respect to y. Okay, yes, so integral from 0 to 1. For first case we don't have any y, that means we just add y. Then in second case we'll have y. Integration of y is what? Y square by 2, limit from 0 to 1. This limit which is for y. Okay, the next thing is what? dz. Okay, the next thing is integral from 0 to 1. Yes, just replace the limit, upper limit as 1 for y, or to replace the limit. So the answer is what? 4z minus, yes, the answer is 1 by 2. Lower limit is which becomes 0. Okay, just leave the term. Then into dz. Now we are going to integrate this term with respect to z. Okay, so 4 into integration of z is what? Z square by 2. Then minus, here is what? 1 by 2 z. Okay. Now the limit from 0 to 1, the limit for z. Okay, replace the limit, upper limit is 1, so that means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is what? 2. And minus, here or replace z as 1, finally the answer is 1 by 2. This is upper limit, lower limit becomes 0. Just take LCM as 2 and the numerator which becomes 4 minus 1, finally the answer is 3 by 2. Okay, right side term is 3 by 2. Next we need to find the left side term. For that we have to put one table. After that we are going to find the integration one by one. Okay, so we'll have a diagram. Okay, we just split the space. Okay, so now we are going to have the left side term. For that we will have one table, phase, okay, and n cap, ds equation, and f dot n cap on S. Okay, those things we are going to find. These are the techniques. Okay. Now, how many surfaces we are having? Yes, totally guys, 6 surfaces. Okay. Then the first surface is what? It lies on x direction. X direction is here, and you see which face which lies on this direction. Okay, the face is what? A, F, G, D. Okay, this face which lies on x direction. And opposite to means you start from O. Okay, the direction is what? So this face which lies opposite to x. Okay, that way I want to mark the remaining faces. So this is on x direction. Okay. Now the first surface is what? Yes, A, F, G, D. Okay, second surface is which is opposite to x. Okay, which is O, B, E, C. So O, B, E, C. And third S3 is which lies on y direction. This is y, and the surface is what? This surface. Okay, this surface which lies on y direction. And opposite to y is starts from O, and this is the direction. Okay. Okay, carefully I want to take the surface, right? So the third thing is what? Which is F, B, and E, G. Okay, and S4 is what? Yes, opposite to y. Okay, which is OADC. Right. And S5 is what? S5 which lies on is a direction. That is this surface. Okay, and opposite one is this. Okay, so the thing is DGEC. So DGEC. And S6 is opposite to Z is OAFB. Okay, these are the phases. Okay, the next thing is we need to write n cap. N cap is nothing but if the phase which lies on x direction ought to take I vector. Okay, if it opposite to x direction, we take minus I vector. If it lies on y means ought to take j. If it is opposite to y means minus j. Lies on z is k, and opposite to z is minus k. Okay, the next thing is ds. If it lies on x direction, we will have ds as dy and dz. And here is also dy dz because both lies on x. Okay, and the next two which lies on y, that means dz dx or dx dz. Okay, and this is also lies on y, so dz dx, and the last two are lies on z, which is dx dy, and here also dx dy. Okay, and equation is what? Yes, already we will have the equation, which is x equal to you will have the point, right? X equal to 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 0, and z equal to 1, z equal to 0. Okay, so the next remaining column we are going to have in the next class. Okay, now we are going to closing the session. Yes, thank you guys.